Good evening, everyone. This is Jeremy at ExtremeWeatherTracker.com, updating your tropical weather at 5:09 p.m. on August the 11th, 2012. I'm going to do a very short video today as I don't have a lot of time. First off, I want to talk about Invest 93L, located here just to the northwest of the Cape Verde Islands. Moving off to the northwest, too much dry air getting entrained into the center of circulation here. As you can see, convection very limited off to the north and east of the system. Plus, it will be moving into cooler water, so I think the threat to develop is very slim. And if it were to develop, most of the models recurve it well before impacting any landmass. So we don't have to worry about 93L for now. Also, the remnants of Tropical Depression 7 here, located just to the east of the Lesser Antilles Islands. This morning, a Hurricane Hunter flight was scheduled to fly into this. They did not find a closed low, so the National Hurricane Center has downgraded this from Tropical Depression status to open wave. And as you can see, most of the convection tilted from northeast to southwest here, and you can see the cloud tops are getting blown off here to the northeast by the shear that it's encountering. Also, you can see the very dry air that's out ahead of this system that has been further inhibiting development. So I believe the chances are slim that it redevelops, but some of the models are hinting that if it could get in this area of the Caribbean or perhaps even into the Bay of Campeche, it's very possible that we could see some further development or redevelopment of Tropical Depression 7. So that's something we'll have to watch over the next few days as it makes its way to the west and west-northwest, but most indications are that it will go in to the Central American coastline or the Yucatan Peninsula over the next several days. Now, the last thing I wanted to talk about, the models are not really picking up on this, but there is a frontal boundary draped across the southeastern United States. And there's also, if you can look very closely on the satellite image, there's a small spin here in the atmosphere with some convection associated with it. And you can see here, this is an upper level low located here just south of the tip of Cuba here, and this is moving to the north, and also this frontal boundary is drifting to the south. So we'll see if the combination of these two can get something spinning here in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. Statistically, in the past, systems can spin up very quickly here or near the Bahamas, so we'll have to see if there's any energy that can get going in there. I know several days ago the Canadian model was hinting that something would form here in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, so we'll see how that plays out over the next several days. But for now, the tropics remain fairly quiet, with Tropical Depression 7 dissipating, 93L moving off into cooler waters and recurving, and then just a lot of showers and thunderstorms here in the western Caribbean and southeast Gulf of Mexico. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys again soon. Go visit the website at www.extremeweathertracker.com. Talk to you again soon.